Kings of Judah and Amun. The Hebrew name Amun is a derivative of the Kemetic Amun. Amun in Hebrew means master craftsman, architect, artificer. Amun is written with the consonants Aleph, Mem, Nun, which gives us Amon or Amun. Etymologically, Amun is derived from the Kemetic Bantu root Imen. Imen or Amun means the hidden one. It is said in the Bible, "Thou art Elohim who hidest thyself." Like Amun, Yahweh is the hidden one. The Kemetic Bantu, Amun is also the root from Zambi. Imen is the great creator, architect. There are several Israelites who carry the name Amun. Amun, the father of Yiseka'yah, king of Judah. Amun, the son of Manasseh, king of Judah. And two other Israelite individuals who are named Amun. Amun, the governor of Samaria. Amun, a descendant of a servant of Solomon. The name Amun is another evidence of the Kemetic Bantu identity of the ancient Israelites in the royal house of Judah. Kembo Ingeta.